Hello and welcome to today's webinar. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Kali Gonzalez. I'm an application engineer with MLC CAD Systems. What I'm going to be discussing with you today is really a comparison guide of several SOLIDWORKS PDM systems. I wanted to put together a guide for those who are looking to adopt a SOLIDWORKS system or who are looking to maybe upgrade or expand their existing SOLIDWORKS PDM system. One of the tasks that I do here at MLC is I have a lot of conversations, I have a lot of meetings with companies that are looking to adopt PDM or to expand their system. And I wanted to take a lot of the information that I often run across in those meetings or that I've gathered over many years and put them into a guide for you to look at the different PDM options. When we are talking about your PDM system needs, there's a couple questions I want you to think about as we go through today's webinar. One is, do you have a small team, a medium team, or a large team? Now, a small team would probably be around 10 to 15 people or less, with a medium team about 15 to 30 people, and then a large team about 30 plus. Those are rough estimates. Those are normally the size of teams that we see and how we break those apart. Think about the different file types that you would want to put into a PDM system. Are you looking at just SOLIDWORKS or any type of file type under the sun? That can also help direct us to a correct system that meets your needs. Are you looking for a PDM system that is customizable or out of the box? Do you have an administrator that's going to take ownership of the system and help expand and utilize the product? Or do you want something out of the box that's ready to go with very minimal administration? There is a third option here, which is to offload administration needs to MLC CAD Systems through one of our managed service plans. Are you looking for a cloud or on-premise solution? The word on-premise just means there's a server. It could be a physical server or a virtual server, but an on-premise solution means we have to install software somewhere. Do you have formal approval processes already in place at your company? Some companies already have these, and some companies are very fluid. That could help us determine which system meets your needs and will also help us determine if you need one workflow to manage all your files or if you need multiple workflows for very specific approval processes. How much automation do you need in your PDM system? That may seem like a dumb question. We'd love to automate as much as we can, but the level of automation will help us determine which system best meets your needs. Do you need dashboarding and reporting of a lot of your data? That's something to keep in mind as we go through the different solutions. How about future expansion? This is something that I really encourage you to think about. Don't think about the next year or 2 years. Think about 5 or 6 years from now. Are you expecting a lot of growth at your company? Are you planning on expanding PDM to multiple divisions? Starting with the right system, with the right foundation, will make that expansion easier and make the system much more scalable.